Network marketing is a great business opportunity for those who want to earn money in the shortest amount of time. There are, however, some disadvantages that you should be aware of before venturing into this field. Some of the disadvantages that are known by most people as follows: you have to invest thousands of dollars to get started, you may have to work around family and friends to build your downline, and in some cases, you may have to work at home. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about, is your network marketing business costing you money? My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. However, before you decide to go into this field, let us look at all the pros and cons of network marketing. So, is your network marketing business costing you money? Usually, this type of business is cost-effective, especially when you consider all the things you can get for the same price as starting with a basic internet marketing program. There are many tools, software, and informational products that are readily available for free or for a low cost. If you use these, you will save a lot of money. In most instances, this is where the biggest mistake is made. Most people that go into network marketing realize that they have to build their downline in order to make money. The key, however, is in recruiting successful people into your downline. If you do not have any experience in promoting and recruiting, then it may be in your best interest to recruit someone who does. When you recruit successful people into your network marketing business, you will not only save yourself a lot of money, but you will also build a team that knows what they are doing from day one. You will have a team that knows how to market on the internet, understand how to sell products and how to grow a downline. But are there really disadvantages in starting your own network marketing business? Yes, there are definitely disadvantages. For instance, you will have to learn all of the laws and regulations related to having a business and having business permits as well. Some cities and counties have requirements that must be followed. Even if you have the best lawyer and the most qualified inspectors, if you don't follow the rules and regulations, you could have your business shut down for non-compliance. Another disadvantage is the costs associated with your marketing efforts. There are plenty of different expenses associated with building a downline in network marketing. You will need a phone system, office space, computer equipment, software, office supplies, printing, and marketing materials. There is also the cost of advertising for your business. The best way to avoid this type of overhead in your network marketing business is to seek the assistance of a professional network marketing company. These companies can help you realize your marketing goals within a budget that works for your budget. They can also handle the things that may be confusing for you or time-consuming for you to do yourself. Now we know why a network marketing business is costing you money, we should look at how you can make it more cost-effective. One of the best ways to do this is by using online advertising and marketing strategies. You can purchase banner ads and other types of internet advertising that may only cost you about $10 per month. You can find these programs through many different websites and programs. You can even pay for hosting on a monthly basis to increase your exposure to the world of network marketing. So now we know what your network marketing business is costing you money, let's see how you can turn that around. It is simple, you want to start promoting the products of other people instead of your own. Once you do this, you will see results almost immediately. Why will this help you? It will save you a tremendous amount of money. If you are struggling to make any money, this is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching my video about, is your network marketing business costing you money? If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.